Welcome back to another video. My name is Noah Knightlick. I've built $120 million in investment banking deals. And if you're looking to become an investment banking intern or full-time analyst, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to teach you how to build a confidential information memorandum slide. If you like this content and want to break into the investment banking industry, make sure to join our free 3-day investment banking course, link in the description. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Slide Master View. Once in Slide Master View, I'm going to change the font to Sago UI. You can do that by customizing fonts. I already have the custom saved. Next, I'm going to change the colors. In previous videos, I showed you how to change the colors. You just go down the list on the colors you want. Now that the colors are saved, I went with blues. We'll exit out of Slide Master View and we'll start. So we have Sago UI heading. The first thing I'm going to do is bold this heading, move it over to the left. We're going to put it in the top left corner for now. I'm going to remove that text box and then I'm going to insert in a random picture. Once I have this picture, I'm going to put it off to the right. The next thing we want to do is add a shape. I'm going to go to Insert, take this rectangle, position it over the picture. We're going to go to right click, Format Shape. We're going to make the transparency 40%. Now, we're going to go to Shape Format, remove the outline of the rectangle. And now what we have is an image with some transparency over it to create this dim effect. Now that we have our picture, we're going to insert two text boxes. I'm going to insert a text box up here. This is going to be a title. It should already be in Sago UI. We just want it centered. I'm going to add insert title here. And we're going to bold it and increase the font. We then want to remove the shape outline. I'm going to copy. Now I'm going to drag down. We want to format it to the left and then to the top. We want to make the font 18. And then we want to add bullet points. We'll do these arrow bullet points. You'll insert text like this. And then what you want to do is you want to go to transparency and start decreasing it until the text is more visible. We can try 30. Now, we're going to move down our inserted text boxes. We're going to move down our insert title. And then this is where you'd put a company logo, such as this one. Next thing we want to do is add in some data on this side. We're going to insert a circle. We're going to make the circle 0.85 by 0.85. We're going to move it down, and then we're going to insert an icon. We can do any icon for this. I'll just do this white clock. We'll make the icon white by going to Graphic Format and then Graphic Fill, white. We'll drag on the icon and then shrink it until it's the size of the circle. Next, we're going to add in a rectangle. I'm going to go to Shapes, add that rectangle in, and drag it across. We want to make sure the rectangle is covering this circle and then sent to back. From there, we're going to take this circle. We're going to make the shape outline white. I'm going to go right click, Format Shape, increase our line dimension width to 4. Next, we're going to insert text. I'm going to go to Insert, add a rectangle, and add it above this square. Once we have the square inserted, I'm going to bring our font over to the left and to the top. We're going to make our font size 14, bold. I'm going to type Insert Title. Then we're going to press Enter, bring it down to a 12 font. Unbold, and then do body text. This is where you insert your text. We then want to take this box, remove the outline, and remove the shape fill so that it blends in fully. Once we have this text, I'm going to click and drag my mouse over this design. So we select everything. We're going to go to Shape Format, Group, and now we have our custom text. I'm going to copy it and paste it in. I'm going to make sure our outside two boxes are in the right spot. And then once they are, I'm going to Control click, go to Shape Format, Align, and then Distribute Vertically. From there, I'm going to increase our title block so that it's centered with our blocks here. And then for this slide, what you can do is click into each graphic design, go to Graphic Format, and then you can change your graphic to anything. So we can go from icons, select another icon, and insert. And you can see that icon switches out for the clock. You can do that for the other four as well. The last thing we want to do is just insert a line here. I'm going to take this line, drag it across. We're going to give this line a preset effect. We're going to add a shadow to the bottom right here, and then we're going to slightly increase the thickness of the line by going to width and making it 3. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Remember, we have a free 3-day investment banking course, link in the description, if you enjoy this content and want to become an investment banking analyst or intern. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.